Hello friends, welcome to Vidish Academy, and here in this section we are going to solve an example under the concept called inverse trigonometric functions. So here we have to simplify. Under the first bit we are given with an equation which is sin inverse 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus cos inverse 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And here by observing in the equation we can use the formula of cos theta over here, and similarly we can also use that formula in this term. So the equation would come as sin inverse cos 2 theta plus of cos inverse cos 2 theta. And now let us convert cos 2 theta in terms of sin. So in order to convert, let us use the trigonometric function which is cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So we can write sin 90 minus theta in the place of cos theta. Then the equation would come as sin inverse sin 90 degrees minus 2 theta plus cos inverse cos 2 theta. So here we already know the property of inverse trigonometric function, which is sin inverse sin theta will be equal to theta, and this is possible in all trigonometric ratios. So that implies we get here the solution as 90 degrees minus 2 theta plus of, and here in this term we have cos inverse cos 2 theta. So we get 2 theta over here. And now here minus 2 theta and plus 2 theta gets cancelled, and we get the result as 90 degrees, which is nothing but the value for the given equation sin inverse 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus cos inverse 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And now let us consider one more equation which is tan cos inverse 4 by 5 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. And now let us assume cos inverse 4 by 5 as alpha. Then we get cos inverse 4 by 5 is equal to alpha, and then transferring cos to the right hand side we get cos alpha is equal to 4 by 5. And now let us name this equation as equation 1. And assuming this term as beta, we get tan inverse 2 by 3 is equal to beta. So that implies we get tan beta is equal to 2 by 3. And now let us name this equation as equation 2. And now let us convert equation 1 in terms of tan. So in order to convert, let us consider a right angle triangle. And here we have the angle alpha. So let us assume this is angle alpha. And according to the definition of cos alpha, the adjacent side is 4, and whereas the hypotenuse side is 5. So let us consider the opposite side as P. And now in order to find the value of P, let us use the Pythagoras theorem. So according to that, we get P equal to under root 5 square minus 4 square, which would be equal to under root 25 minus 16. So that implies we get root 9, that is equal to 3. So we get the value of P as 3. So from this we can convert the value of cos alpha in terms of tan alpha. So tan alpha will be equal to opposite by adjacent. So here opposite side is 3. So we get 3 by the adjacent side 4. So this is the value of tan alpha, and now let us name this equation as equation 3. And now let us consider the given equation which would be tan alpha plus beta. So by using the formula of compound angle of tan alpha plus beta, which would be equal to tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. And now let us substitute the values of tan alpha and beta using equation 3 and 2. So that implies we get here equation 3, which is 3 by 4 plus equation 2, that is 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus the value of tan alpha, which is 3 by 4 into the value of tan beta, which is 2 by 3. And now let us try to simplify. So here we get the LCM 12 in the denominator, and in the numerator we get 3 into 3, which is 9, plus 4 into 2, which is 8, then whole divided by, and here we get 12 in the denominator, and in the numerator we get 12 minus 3 into 2, which is 6. And then both the denominators gets cancelled, so that implies we get 9 plus 8, which is 17, divided by the denominator 12 minus 6, which is 6. So 17 by 6 is the value of the given inverse trigonometric function, which is tan cos inverse 4 by 5 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. So this is how we solve various types of examples using the formulas of trigonometry. Hope you understood the concept. For more videos, visit our website Vidish Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.